Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the official Ark podcast, back with number 405. My name's Coach MT, and I'm here live today with the core team. Your host for tonight, as always, the one and only Mr. Atlas. The floor is all yours, sir.
Thank you for the introduction, Coach Mistletoad. And folks, welcome back to another edition of the Ark Daily Podcast. We love the Sunday edition. Always a good time. It's the last day before the true reset happens on Monday, where we have Coach Roberto here on the podcast with us. Hope he's feeling much better and ready for a great breath tomorrow. It also means that the development team for the security products are back in the office and giving us their best for the next 5 days. Happy days here. A lot of work happening in the background, partnerships under work development, as well as the air card in euros, which we do anticipate is going to be well received. It's going to have a lot of traction, not only because I'm in Europe, but we know a lot of people that are investors here, that are in the communities that we've been to before, where our investor base and user base is. And we've already had great feedback. People very interested. They love the air card. Having it in euros is definitely going to be a pretty big cost savings, as you do have the transaction fee for the currency exchange. That's going to be eliminated. So looking forward, hopefully, we can get Alex to launch that for us, hopefully tomorrow. I hope tomorrow. I think worst case scenario, we're looking at on Tuesday. So please stay tuned for that information as it comes together. And we anticipate that this week we'll have our first announcement of the first project that's going to be co-branding with the Ark. And it's going to be offering our products to their investor community. The bull run, they say it's here. I've already told you, I don't think it's here yet. It's always better to be left behind and to FOMO into things and then later be underwater. I know folks that are underwater for years. Folks, people that bought the top and then they sold the bottom and then they got the FOMO all over again, only to go back down to the crypto abyss and then sell again. So yeah, be careful out there, folks. But we do understand that there is going to be more investors coming into the crypto space, as well as more utility happening with cryptos, more demand for the banking products. So we're looking forward to folks spending their crypto that they earn here with us. With that, I'm going to turn it over to our good friend, Mr. Brett Nordin. I hope you're having a wonderful day, sir. You got a busy week ahead.
Oh, yeah, always. Yeah, Mondays are always crazy, so we're kind of looking forward to that. Resting up a bit today. I know you and I have been doing some work in the background, and got a pile of graphics coming in for our presentation, and looking forward to putting that together a little bit more, kind of picking away at it in between working and focusing on the privacy products and helping out Alex where I can. He's got his plate full this week, as you mentioned. That's a nice addition to the air card. Looking forward to getting that rolled out and seeing some impact there. I don't know if we ever talked about it, but we did. You did some great work this week, and we renegotiated a little bit on the air card profits. And so we'd like to see those really get pumped. Those are the easy ones to sell, and they are part of the 2-tier affiliate system. So if you're wondering how you can help support the Ark and further this mission and get more people into the door and help build and grow our list and our community for the upcoming privacy product launch, the air card's a great way to do it. It's a very low barrier to entry, super easy to have somebody experience what we've got here at the Ark, and the air card will go and support the NFT rewards pool. So yeah, more to come on that, more marketing churn, introducing new communities, as you mentioned, partnerships in the works. So we've got a bright rest of the year ahead, and then obviously next quarter will be huge. Lots could be revealed and going on. and more business development work. We're very focused now. Feels good to have our sights on these two product categories, sort of the banking, the on and off ramps. Alex also mentioned yesterday, if you caught it or missed it, we're going to be developing out a bridge for people to use coming from BSC over to Polygon where we are, and there's a lot of other options as well. I know integrated into the bridge tech, so that's going to be exciting to roll out and see how that develops. But that's another revenue source for the rewards pool on the NFT side. So we will collect fees from that. And so, it's a nice way to round out the category. You can buy crypto, bridge crypto over. You can get involved with the Air card, the Terra card, become an affiliate, own an NFT, and then obviously be gearing up for our big privacy product launch. So yeah, much to do this week. We'll be focusing on the email application. We've talked a little bit. We had our demo on Thursday last week. And so we're just following up from that. There's a lot of other things going on behind the scenes. This week, I'm also going to be focused on our admin and analytics dashboard, what the features are of that and what we're going to want to display in the background so we can collect data. We can show that to the community, like the number of users, how many people are using the various applications, very simple things. Where we're not getting into any kind of privacy issues or collecting personal information, but just basic dashboard stuff. Like we have a lot of on our dApps today, but these, I think, reporting metrics are going to be important as we move forward and we engage with new communities. They come over and see what we're doing, want to get participating in our products, in our NFTs. They can see that we have traction. We have users on the platform. These platforms or applications built on top of decentralized applications and blockchains that are fully transparent, open source, and they can get involved as much as they want to, but then see the numbers, see the number of users, and understand where our targets are to hit those revenue streams and profit streams that we're seeing in the calculator. A lot of people asking about the calculator. If you haven't checked it out, it is on the dApp. But that's a great way to kind of gauge, what the profit levels would need to be to hit a certain revenue rate on your NFT or a certain yield. And so I think that's kind of an important thing to check out. But that'll be something we keep our eye on. When we hit to certain thresholds, then that calculator will be coming true. So yeah, we hope to really make a big push over the next few months in anticipation of the privacy products using the on and off ramps, the Air card, the Terra card, as well as the ramp and the bridge. So the more the merrier, the more we can get eyeballs on our project, on our community, the better. So that's what we're really pushing for. And yeah, I'm looking forward to a big week. We'll have our bi-weekly meetings Tuesday, Thursday. So if you're coming to the podcast, you'll be updated real time as I get the information, as I get the updates. I've also got our designer working on our high-level roadmap that we can publish and show maybe once a week, every couple of weeks or something, just to keep everybody informed of where we are in terms of the schedule and which modules we're working on for the privacy apps. That's about it from me. Anything else you want to touch on?
No, sir. Great update. Well, I did want to say something like the new image that we have here for on the rotation, the introducing Terra card, the crypto card. If folks notice, if they're able to look at the last post by Coach MT, there's a New York Yankees and a Liverpool logo for the folks that enjoy representing and proudly, showing and flying the colors for their teams in sports. So great touch there. Nice work. Thank you, Mr. Brett.
You're welcome. Thanks for posting that, MT.
That's right. Let's get it. We need to put some
cool.
hockey teams on there. The folks that that are on the ice skates. Tough business.
Yeah, we can switch out those logos too. If somebody wants to see one on there, get a different logo put on there. Yeah, those are cool though. I think it's a nice attention grabber. Kind of shows people go, wait, I can put a custom logo on my card. I can put my business logo on there. Makes it theirs. It's cool.
Absolutely. Personalized. No doubt about it. And a great conversation piece, that's for sure. That's without any question, a conversation starter. Hey, what's on your card? Where did you get that? Let's go.
Not just a card, it's a ninja star. It's a crowbar.
That thing is dangerous, man. What a piece of metal it is. My favorite is Coach MT's video, throwing that thing on the table after trying to do the same thing with the Crypto.com card.
Oh, yeah.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Literally heavy metal. Let's go.
Let's go. So, yeah, that's it for today, Sunday. Hope everyone's really enjoying themselves, getting ready for Christmas, getting in the Christmas spirit. Hopefully have some delicious food and being able to spend time with all your families. So that's going to be it. We're going to be back tomorrow, kicking back into gear here, resetting with Coach Roberto. Looking forward to breathing with him. We're going to stick around and do a Q&A, see if there's any questions here from the audience. And folks, we'll see you all tomorrow, same time, 2 p.m. EST, 7 p.m. UTC. Have a good one.